Moving and resizing tables. Moving a table means changing the position of the table from one place to another. Resizing a table means increasing and decreasing the size of the table. To move a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer over the table. The Move Table handle will appear on the top left corner of the table. Step 2. Move the mouse pointer over the Move Table handle. The mouse pointer converts to a plus sign. Step 3. Click and drag the table to the desired position and release the mouse button. To resize a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer over the table. The table resize handle will appear at the bottom right corner of the table. Move the mouse pointer over the table resize handle. Mouse pointer converts to two-headed cross arrow. Step 2. Click and drag the mouse diagonally and release the mouse button when you get the desired size.